Day trading is a kind of trade that people usually like so much and have asked me if it is profitable to day trade or to swing trade. Now, the answer depends on the individual and the strategy that you are using. As I have said in some of my videos, day trading is when you enter into a trade, and for somebody who maybe you trade options like me, you enter into a contract and then the contract ends on the same day, or you enter into a position and you intend to close the position in a day. Now, there are advantages to this, and then there are disadvantages to this as well.
Income streams, they start to flow. From determination, they grow.
Could be profitable day trading if you know your strategy very well, and then if you do your analysis very well. So we want to look at how we can have successful day trading using certain strategies that can help us make profitable entries and exits. So in this video, I will take you through what day trading is. We will look at the pros and cons of day trading. We will look at the benefits of day trading, and we'll look at a strategy that we can use to be profitable day traders. Day trading is when traders enter into the market to buy financial instruments of, let's say, stocks, forex, crypto, and then they enter into the market to do this trading and come out of the trade on the same day. Such trades are not carried overnight. They are not carried over the weeks or months. And so there are so many things that are attached to some of this kind of trading, which traders need to know to be able to be profitable day traders. The pros and cons of day trading is that one of the pros of day trading is that we have quick profits, because traders are able to enter and take advantage of short-term price movements in the market. And so they are able to record several amounts of small profits, and they gather some of these profits, and then they make a higher profit at the end of the day. And then they are also exempt from overnight risk, because sometimes, stocks or some of these instruments trade overnight. And so if you are there and then let's say something happens overnight, day trader is not affected because he's long gone. And the high liquidity also helps them able to make some of these profits, because day trading instruments usually have large number of buyers and sellers trading on the market. Now, you could look at some of the cons as, you will need to be very strategic to be able to be a profitable day trader, because sometimes positions that you hold may not be profitable in the day, but could be profitable overnight. But you are long gone, and then so you record a loss instead of you staying overnight. Disadvantages of day trading are several, but the purpose of this video is not, to delve too much into that, but we want to look at how we could be profitable day traders. I think I have made a video, and then I've spoken extensively about some of the pros and the cons of day trading. And so today I want to go straight to looking at a strategy that we can adapt to be able to be profitable day trading. And so I'm going to link to this the description of this video, the video where I spoke about day trading, so that you could go over it to understand into detail the pros and cons of day trading, and then to look at some of the things that may not have been mentioned on this video. So I'm going to give you a practical way that I have used to be successful day trading, and I'm not going to be stereotype about this. I'm going to give you a practical experience that I have used to be successful day trading, because most of the time, sometimes you want to day trade, but you really don't know even the basics of day trading. And so number one strategy that I want to give you is that for day trading, you must use your charts. And one of the things that I will recommend is to use trading view charts. They're able to lay out the charts in a way that, even with the free version, you can choose a time frame that is convenient for day trading, and then they can display that very well for you to understand the movements of price action. The number two that I want to talk about is that you need to be able to select the right time frame. Okay, for day trading, I made mistakes day trading, and then when I began trading, I would use day trading. I'm doing day trading, so I'm using daily time frame, daily charts. I didn't understand it, right? I didn't understand that daily chart takes a long time to revolve. So I would use daily chart and I'll enter into a day trade, and then it ends me in the red. So for day trading strategy, a successful day trading strategy, then you must be looking at the shortest time frame possible. You are looking at the 1 minute candle. You are looking at the 5 minutes. You are looking at 10 minutes, at most 30 minutes, right? You could look at you could use a 4-hour time frame, or you could use the hourly time frame between 4-hour and hourly to look at the trend at which it is going, the trend at which the instrument you are trading is going. Then so that if you have a trend that is been building like upwards, and you go and you enter into the trade that is a downwards, I mean you are selling something that is buying, then it means that you are trading opposite price. I have always made mention of the indicator that I have used from the time I started learning how to trade till now. I don't know when I'm going to stop using this indicator, and that is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. This is the indicator that can tell you when an asset is overbought or oversold. So it gives you an idea as to whether at this time that you want to enter, is it appropriate to enter for a buy? Is it appropriate to enter for a sell? Now, some of the indicators are there that you could use, like VWAP. You could use indicators like the moving average. But you see, you need to understand how they move and how they operate. And so here I would urge that if you are interested in day trading, then you really need to study some of these indicators and then use them to paper trade and perfect on them. And one of the things I also want to talk about that you can be successful day trading is that you can jump from a financial instrument to another instrument. You need to be specific on a particular instrument until you know and grasp the way that that instrument usually moves. Most of the time, things happen on the stock market or the forex market or crypto market. And I keep saying that it comes to a point where the market will have to correct itself. Now, certain things will also happen. This is normal, but sometimes we have certain news and certain things that come up, and all of a sudden, the market will behave in a way that you did not anticipate. All right, and this is where it calls for your, stop losses and then risk management. And like I said, I've already spoken at length about some of these things, in a video which I'm linking to this video, so that you could go and then listen to that one and have an in-depth knowledge about some of the things that you have to take into consideration when you are day trading. It is very interesting that sometimes you enter as a beginner, you want to enter into a trade, and you just want to get into it by just looking at certain charts. Sometimes you look at the chart and then you think that, oh, this thing is supposed to go up. But you need to be able to look at price action very, very carefully, because sometimes you have a candle, even though it's in an uptrend, But if you look closely and bring it down to a lower time frame, you will see that there is a candle that's really informing that even though we are in an uptrend, this time the market is reversing for maybe an hour or two before it goes back to that uptrend. Now, that is where you need to be able to understand your candles very well, so that if you're looking at indicators, moving averages, your RSI, VWAP, and all that, then if you add price action to this, it could put you in a position where you get in and then you make your profit and you are off. The last thing I want to discuss on this video is the fact that you must have a goal, a daily goal for your day trading strategy. I mean, as part of your day trading strategy. Yesterday, I had a discussion with some of my friends, and I was just telling them some of the instances that made us lose certain trades. It was just because we were over trading. Now, sometimes you must have a goal that I'm day trading. How much do I want to make on this trade? That informs you as to where you set your stop losses and take profits. And when it hits, it hits. You understand? But sometimes, because of there are particular instruments that people trade, and then when you trade and the profit hits, it still looks very promising, and then you feel, why not? Let me stay on a bit. Maybe this is an opportune day. But before you know it, the market goes against you. So here I will say that let's avoid, some of this over trading. And then the important thing is to have your daily goal. If you meet the daily goal, my dear, you should be off. So here you have it, right? You can't go wrong with these two videos that I have made about day trading. I have shorts about day trading. I have several, information and content about day trading. But this video and the other video that I'm linking to this description will give you enough information that will put you in a position to be successful day trading. Most of the time, practically, when I enter, most of the time I do swing trading. But how I do my analysis and use my indicators and all that, most of the time I can be swing trading, but I can be like 20% profitable in the day. You understand? In the day, I can be 20% or more, even profitable in the day. In the day I enter the trade. But then sometimes I want more. You understand? So that's why I stay, most of the time I do swing trading. But day trading is also very, very lucrative because, I've always spoken about the challenge that we are having, driving our 1,000 to 10,000, then the 10,000 to our 25,000, where we can trade unlimited on the stock market. If you have an account of 25,000 and you're a day trader, it means you can go in, come out with small profit, go in, come out, small profit. And I've spoken about this in that video, that by the time you realize day traders are able to record a higher profit in the day because they just master their strategy and go in and out, taking small bits and pieces of profit. And you would despise it, but at the end of the day, it would have been more than if you had entered into, let's say, you are swing trading or you taking many positions or a big position or whatever it is. Right. If you are new to the channel today, this is my name, Flavia, and then I talk about tips, tricks, strategies that we can use to enter into profitable trades, trading on the stock market and making income and adding passive income to it, where we want to use this, our basket of income, trading on the stock market, to retire rich. And not retire rich and old, but we want to retire rich and young, where we can enjoy the money that we have so much worked for. If you are interested in being part of this channel, you want to subscribe to the channel. And for the well builders who have been following and who have been here, on this channel from day one, I want to say that I appreciate you so much. Continue to like, the videos if you find any good content in them, and then continue to leave your comments and questions, and I'll be glad to answer them. Until we meet on the next video, where I'll be taking us through our challenge again, it is bye for now.
Start with nothing, start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick you build it right, from the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step, every fall a future pep. No experience, just a heart, that's the way you got to start. And come